What's going on YouTube? Got the lucky loot right here, and this little cat right here will hopefully bring me some luck. That's Pepe. So here we go. Looking to get 3 of the same symbols. Nothing on game 1. Nothing on game 2. Nothing on game 3. My bad. Nothing there. Nothing there. Nothing there. And nothing there. There we go. Hit the bell, Pepe. Winner. Thanks for bringing me good luck. Well, it would be $10 plus we got a multiplier. Alright, what could the multiplier be? Times 1. Anyways, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You all have a good day. Bye.